Hey YouTube, CJ here with the Trading Collective, an education-based community of traders. So today we're looking at a TradingView chart of AMD. And what we're going to be doing today is going over the basics of charting support and resistance lines. If you guys don't mind real quick, smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us out. And anyways, let's roll right into it. So when charting support and resistance lines, what you're looking to find is common points where a stock is falling to or raising to. So the bigger the time frame, such as us looking at the daily, and we're looking at a line chart for AMD, the more points that it's hitting, the more points that we can get our horizontal line tool over here, horizontal line shortcut Alt H. The more points we can get this line to hit, the stronger it will be. So we'll put our first line down right here, and we can title this support because it's falling to this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We can put another one down here. Because we know that it is hitting this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, falling through 6, 7, 8, 9 times, rejecting, 10 times coming through. Now we'll look for a common resistance point up here. Title this one resistance. And what we're seeing here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over, falls through 8, 9, same thing here again, 10, breaks through 11. So what you're looking for when you're finding support and resistance lines, again, is common points where it's falling to or raising to. The more points you can get to intersect on the higher time frame, the stronger those support and resistance lines are. Everybody in the world is charting like this. It's time that you understand that and be able to put the same lines on your chart that they have on theirs. So we'll go up here to the upper section of AMD, and here's an easy point right here. We'll title this one support as well, because it's falling 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times to this line. Now we'll go to a 30-minute. We'll go in towards the top. We'll go to Heikin Ashi candles. Now this is more likely what you'd be trading on, and we'll find on a smaller time frame more support and resistance lines. So we're seeing one right here, just a very obvious line that stands out, where you're seeing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breaks through, tests again, 7, tests, 8, 9, falls through a bit, a 10, 11, breaks over and falls through, so it falls through here and breaks over here. Then we can also put another support line here, because we're seeing it fall. When it does fall through this support line, it falls to this line, hits it 1, 2, 3, builds back up to it 4. So we'll title this one support as well. Now let's look for our resistance lines. So we can find an easy resistance line right here. We can even change the style of this line. Make it white. Make it a little more bold. We'll title it resistance. We can even change the style so it's no longer dashed, it is a solid line. So what we're seeing here is when it falls to this support, it commonly comes back towards this resistance. You can even make a secondary resistance, a slightly weaker resistance, so we can change this to a dashed, make this line a little thinner because you know it's not as strong. So whenever we're falling to this support, it's coming up towards this resistance. Boom, boom, boom. And that is the basics for technical analysis, for charting support and resistance lines. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and smash that like button again. It helps us out a bunch. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.